Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the most important topic in everyone's life, success. Yes, success, the word that excites us, inspire us and sometimes even scratch us. Everyone's wants to be successful, but only a few people truly understand what success really means. For some, success is about money, for other, it's about fame, respect, peace, or happiness. But let me tell you one thing, real success is not about what you get in life, it's about what you become in the process. Friends, life is not easy. There are times when everything seems against you. You work hard, you dream big, but still things don't go the way you want. At that time, most people give up, but those who won't give up, those who stand strong, those who keep trying again and again, they are the one who truly success. Success is not luck, it is not magic, it is a result of your dedication, consistency and belief in yourself. Every successful person you see today, whether it is a businessman, actor, sport person or leader, they all have one thing in common. They never give up. Think about it, before becoming a champion. Every winner was once a beginner. Before becoming strong, every successful person was once weak. And before becoming confident, they were full of fear and doubt. But they keep moving forward step by step, day by day, because they knew one thing, if you don't stop, you will definitely reach your goals. Friends, the truth is, success does not come overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of struggle. Sometimes you will feel alone, sometimes people will laugh at your dreams, sometimes you will even doubt yourself. But in those moments, remember why you started, remember your goals, remember the person you want to become. Life is like a battlefield, my friend, and only those who have the courage to fight till the end win the war. So don't worry about failure, because failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. Every failure teaches you something valuable, every mistake makes you stronger, every rejection pushes you closer to your dreams. The only that can stop you, your own mind. If you believe you can do it, you will. If you think you can't, you are already defeated. Your thought create your reality. So always think positive, speak positive and stay positive. Remember, there are no shortcut to success. You have to wake up early, work hard, stay disciplined, and give your 100% every single day. There will be dedication, there will be struggle, but you have to stay focused, because one day all your hard work will pay off. Success is not about being better than other, it about being better than who you were yesterday. If you are growing, learning, improving, you are already on the path of success. Don't compare your journey with anyone else. Everyone timing is different. Just because someone achieved something before you does not means you are late. Your time will come. Just keep moving forward. And when success finally come, don't forget the people who supported you when no one else did. Be humble, be kind, and use your success to inspire others, because the biggest success is not when you reach the top. It is when you help others rise with you. So, friends, from today, promise yourself you will not give up, you will not doubt yourself, you will not listen to negativity, you will keep working hard no matter how tough the journey gets, because you are born to do something great, you are born to shine, you are born to success. Believe in yourself, take action every day, and never stop until you make your dreams come true. Because success is waiting for you, don't somewhere far away, but within you. Thank you for listening, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, your dreams are possible only if you have the courage to chase them.